Hello dear students, Amit Sir's Group Tuitions welcome you all for online learning session. Standard 7th, subject Maths, lesson number 2, and the topic is multiplication and division of integers. Children, in the last video we have just practiced of addition and subtraction of integers. Got it, children? Now, students, I'll show you all the rules of multiplication of integers. See, yes, rules of the products of integers. First rule, the product of two positive integers is a positive integer. Means these two are positive integers. No, 6 and 4 are positive integers, correct? Product means multiplication. 6 4s are 24. Got it? So both positive integers, the answer is positive 24. Next, the product of a positive integer and a negative integer is a negative integer. Means one positive, one negative integer is there. So while doing multiplication, your product will be, your answer will be negative only. Okay, always remember, one positive, one negative, answer will be negative only. Got it? So see, one is positive 4, one integer is negative integer. So 4 3s are 12 and the sign you have to put minus. So negative integer. Next, product of two integers, the product of two negative integers is a positive integer. But this rule is different. If the both integers are negative integers, so if their product will be positive, like 3 4s are 12, you have to do multiplication each sum, children. Multiplication sign they have done, they have given, means you have to do multiplication, but only you have to look after the sign. If the both positives are there, positive integers are there, your product will be positive. One negative, one positive will be there, your answer always will be negative. But if both the sides are negative integers, your answer will be always positive. Got it, children? Chalo, now we'll do sums. I'll share you all some sums here, okay, which we have done. Yes, see, no, 7 2s are. First, always see the sign here, multiplication, no, so you have to do multiplication first. 7 2s are 14. So this is the product. But as per the rule, what is the rule, children? The product of a positive integer and a negative integer is always a negative integer. Got it? Next, see, one is positive, one is negative. 5 4s are 20, we know. But sign, which sign you have to put? Negative. Why? This rule will be always useful for you. The product of a positive integer and a negative integer is a negative integer. Always remember, one positive, one negative aya. So always remember, you have to put a negative sign only for the answer. Okay, one negative, one positive. 7 7s are 49. Negative integer 1, one positive integer. So always answer will be in a negative. 5 7s are 35. Both the numbers are positive, so answer will be positive. Again, one positive, one negative. 10 5s are 50. But one positive, one negative, always answer is negative. One negative, one positive, answer is negative. 6 8s are 48. See, all sums are like that only. Got it? Minus 10 into 2. Minus 10 into 2. 10 2s are 20. Sign always negative. 7 5s are 35. Sign negative. Minus 3 into 6. 3 6s are 18. Minus. What is our rule? The product of positive integer and a negative integer is a negative integer. Always remember that. This rule is very important. One negative, one positive, answer is negative. Got it, children? Don't worry. Okay? Now sums, children, practice set 8 you have to solve, no? Chalo, we will solve practice set 8, children. Okay? For this, no, always remember you have to learn your tables, children. Okay? Chalo, practice set 8. First sum, topic multiply. First sum, -5 into -7. Which property, children? Yes, the product of two negative integers is a positive integer. So 5 sevens are 35. This you have to do always. Multiplication always you have to do. Then we have to see the sign. Both the negative sign, no. The product of two negative integers is always a positive integer. Okay. Second sum, -9 into 6. First do multiplication. 9 6 are 54. One negative, one positive. So which property? The product of a positive integer and a negative integer is always a negative integer. So answer will be -54. Third sum, 9 into -4. Answer 9 4s are 36. Always do the operation multiplication. No, 9 4s are 36. Okay, one positive, one negative. So which will be the property? Rule. Which is the rule? The product of a positive integer, and a negative integer is always a negative integer. Got it? Next sum, 8 into -7. Same, children. What will be the rule? The product of a positive integer and a negative integer is always a negative integer. So 8 sevens are 56. Always a negative integer. Next, fifth sum, -124 into -1 is equal to 124 ones are 124. Both negative integers are there. The product of both the negative integers is always a positive integer. Two negatives are there, then answer will be positive, children. Okay, next sum, -12 into -12 into -7. Answer. Again the rule is the product of two negative integers is a positive integer. 12 sevens are 84. 12 sevens are 84. Both the negatives, so answer will be positive. Seventh sum, -63 into -7. 63 sevens are, see you can do like this, 63 sevens are, 7 3s are 21, 2 here, 7 6 are 42, 43, 45. Correct, no children? No, here 63. What was the question? 63 into 7, no, 7 3s are 21, 2, 1 here, 2 here, 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 2, 43, 44. Correct? Answer will be 441. Correct? Both the negatives. What is the rule? The product of two negative integer is always a positive integer. Correct, no? One more sum. Minus 7 into 15. So 15 sevens are, what is the answer? If you don't know the table of 15, what you have to do is 15 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 5 here, 3 here. 7 1s are 7 plus 3, 10. Correct, no? 1 not 5. So children, here 1 is negative, 1 is positive. So rule will be the product of a positive integer and a negative integer is always a negative integer, minus 105. Children, here we finished with the practice set 8. Got it? And this is the rule, children, you have to learn. Okay, again I'll repeat, the product of two positive integer is a positive integer. Here positive, answer will be positive. The product of one positive and one negative integer is a negative integer, and the product of two negative integers is a positive integer. This is the rule, you have to learn it, and this practice set 8 we have solved. Got it? So this table you can solve by your own, children. Okay, fine. Here I finish with the practice set 8, our second video.